We are now at your Amengaon, a truly remarkable and expensive location. Right now, we are positioned at the very pinnacle, the absolute highest point within this entire sprawling area, offering breathtaking panoramic views. From this elevated vantage point, you can clearly discern the magnificent swimming pool situated below. Indeed, if you were to reach out and touch its shimmering surface, its presence would be undeniably felt. Observe closely the impressive number of floors that comprise the building standing majestically before us here. This is undeniably a substantial structure, a truly imposing edifice. I mean to say, it is a towering 7-story building, my dear friend, reaching impressively towards the sky. From our current elevated position, you can distinctly perceive the bustling railway station in the distance, a hub of activity. We are, as I mentioned, right at the very top now, having ascended to this commanding height. We have journeyed and arrived here specifically for our work, reaching our designated destination with purpose. Within our diligent group, you will also notice the sturdy shoes of the laborers, a testament to their hard work and dedication. You can clearly see them, a visible sign of their presence. Say hi, won't you, to our colleague? He has just posted something now, sharing his thoughts or observations. It is clearly visible on camera, captured for all to see. We have endeavored to showcase as much as we possibly could, presenting a comprehensive view of our surroundings and activities. We shall now prepare to depart from this location, moving on to our next task. This is precisely how the arrangements have been meticulously settled here, ensuring everything is in order. In this particular area, it is exclusively the swimming pool that holds significance, meaning that only those individuals who engage in swimming activities or those who occupy the uppermost pillars of authority will be granted the privilege to practice and utilize the facilities here, enjoying its exclusive amenities. See, we have now descended one floor, moving down from our previous elevated position. There is yet another floor below us as well, extending further down. I neglected to mention this specific floor earlier. The 7 stories I was referring to, I was indeed speaking about that particular building, the one with its impressive 7 stories reaching skyward. Now, we will gradually and carefully begin our descent from this point, making our way downwards. Painting work is currently in progress, proceeding in this manner with diligent application. The painting is actively being done, transforming the surfaces. More extensive work will be undertaken over there in that designated section. I am personally engaged in working on the tiles over there, meticulously attending to them. Now, our immediate task is to meticulously repair the tiles that require attention. Specifically, the tiles that are visibly cracked or those that are broken will be carefully and skillfully repaired by us, restoring them to their original condition. The individuals who will embark on their journey from this very spot, they will approach and commence their run from that designated area. They will then leap from there, initiating their journey with vigor and determination. And from that point too, I mean, people will